Hotel English conversation. Can I have extra towels? Yes, of course. Is the aircon not working? Yes, it is not working. Can I change the room? Yes, you can. Taxi, do you need a taxi? Yes, please. Do you need help with your luggage? Yes, please. What time is breakfast? From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Wi-Fi password. What is the Wi-Fi password? Password. The password is 12,345. Gym. Do you have a gym? Yes, we have. Do you have a swimming pool? Yes, we have. Where can I get the key card? Please get it at the reception. Do you need anything else? No, thank you. Checkout. Would you like to check out? Yes, I would like to check out.